Good morning, sir.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Can you all hear me? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can you all hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
We can hear.
Okay. Okay. So let's start with our prayer first. Yes or no? Let's start. Hello? Are you all ready? Are you all ready?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can also. So yes, you can start. Start. Sit straight. Sit silent. Just concentrate and meditate. And remember God. Just think of God right now for 2 minutes. Clear? Okay.
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay. Is it okay? Just pray for 2 minutes. Don't talk in between. Nobody will talk in between. One more minute you can pray. Okay. Done? Done everyone? So you can open your eyes.
Yes, sir. Done.
You're simply just closing your eyes and sitting, or you're praying in mind? You have to pray. Don't lie to God. Okay? Okay. I hope that everyone has prayed sincerely. Yes? Everybody has prayed? Smith,
Yes,
did
sir.
you pray? Smith? Smith Shersia, did you pray? Smith? Smith, I am talking to you. Smith? Hello? Can you hear me? Smith, why don't you reply? If you don't want to reply, please leave the class. Or if you are having mic problem, then at least reply. Okay, chat session is also not there, no? Your mic is not working. If there is anyone who doesn't want to say anything, doesn't want to reply anything, they can leave the class. It is not necessary. Clear? Okay. Yes, Arpita, did you pray?
Yes, sir. I had prayed.
Very good. Okay, may God bless you. And everyone. Yes. Bhumi, did you pray?
Yes, sir, I had prayed.
Very good. Purva?
Yes, sir, I would also pray.
Okay, I also prayed. Okay, good. Okay, there is nothing like you have to tell lie. If you have prayed sincerely, God will bless you. That's it. Okay? Okay, now, yes, next we can do a small exercise that we used to do. Yes or no? Okay. Today, okay, yesterday we have done like breathing exercise. Yes or no? Okay, today you can stretch your hands, please. Yes, stretch your hands. Just stretch it out. Okay. You're coming after one lecture, no? You can stretch your hands, move your head. Okay. Yes. 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 Just move your neck like this. Okay. You can stretch your hands. Okay. Just stretch it. And like this way, do this. Do like this. Okay. Stretch on the either side and do like this. Okay. Yes. And clockwise and anti-clockwise. 3 times each. 3 times each. 3 times this clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Yes. Do like this. Stretch your hands on the either side. This right side and left side. Yes. Yes. Done, everyone? Are you doing all? Are you all doing?
Yes, sir, King.
Yes, good, good. Please do it because you can have a
yes,
relaxation. Okay, that one done. This one over. Okay, now you can, wherever you are sitting, just do like this. Stretch, stretch, like this. Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Please do like this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that you can get a relaxation because you are sitting for a while, no? From first lecture. Yes. Okay. So this is done. This is done. This neck rotation, is it done? If you're not done, please do it. Do it. Okay. Yes. Only 3 times, not 5 to 10 times. Otherwise, you will fall down. Okay. Only 3 times and slowly. Neck rotation you have to do slowly. Okay. Okay. 3 times this side and 3 times anti-clockwise. Okay. Done. Okay. Fine. Good. And if you want to stretch like this, this is also okay. Yes. Stretch, stretch. Okay, good. Okay, you can do like this also. This one and this one. Yes. Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, good. Now do
Yes,
that.
sir, done.
Now do that breathing. Okay? Yes, 3 times, everyone. Okay? When I say, everyone will do all together. Okay? All together you have to do. Okay? Can someone switch on the camera so that I see if somebody is doing it or not? Who can switch on? Is there anyone who can switch on the camera? Please switch on the camera because I want to see whether you are doing or not, or simply saying. Okay. Yes, who can switch on? Okay. Do one thing. Deven, switch on the camera. Don't do now. Wait. Or we can do together. Deven, are you there?
Sir, my camera is broken. That's why. Sir, you want to see?
Okay. No problem. No, don't switch on the camera. It's okay. Fine. Anybody else who can switch on the camera? Yes. Vian Patel, please switch on the camera. Can you switch on? Vian Patel. Vian Patel, are you there?
No, sir, I can't because there are much network issues here.
Okay, no problem. Anybody else? Sarfaraj?
No, sir, sorry.
Is it possible? Is it possible to
No,
switch
sir.
on the camera?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then, any girls? Arpita, can you switch on the camera? If possible. It's not compulsory because.
No, sir. Sorry, it is network issue, so that's why.
Okay. Anybody else? Bhumi or Neha? Because we can do it together.
Sir, I have
Sorry,
also
sir, not
network issue.
Network. Okay. No problem. Okay. So sit straight first. No problem. I just wanted to see whether you are doing or not. Okay. No problem. But do it. Okay. Don't neglect this. Sit straight. Okay. Take a deep breath. 1, 2. On a count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Release. Once more. Okay, the last one. Okay, done? Done, everyone? Okay, I hope that everyone
Yes,
has
sir.
done that.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so how do you feel
Yes,
now?
sir. Done.
Cleared? Relaxed?
Yes, sir. So fresh.
Fresh, no? Good. This every day something we will do, okay, so that we can have a freshness. Okay, so today we can start. Yes, we can continue with that worksheet. So can anyone say yesterday till where we have done the worksheet? I think it was page number 2, no? Who is calling me? Please don't call if you're... If someone is calling me, okay, wait a minute. I'm getting a call. Yes, yes, please. Please tell everyone. I think we were in the second, not second page. We were in third page, no? Page number, what is page number? 3. 3, I think so. It was page number 3, yes.
4.
Okay, yes.
Sir,
4,
we
4.
have to start
We were in
page number 4, second question.
page number 2, second question. Yes. So that is that fill up, no? Dash publish the.
No,
Is it?
sir, page
Am I
number
true?
4.
No, sir.
Sir, page number 4, question 2.
Can you say the topic? Which is the topic?
Administration.
Administration.
Okay, okay. Wait. Because I have opened this worksheet. Bhumi sent this worksheet. So I am opening that in laptop. So that page number was wrong. Wait a minute. Everyone, please wait. Let me take that page number. Please wait, okay? It's opening only. Please wait. Or do one thing, you can start reading. Yes, please read the question. What is the question? By that time, I can open this document. Yes, who will read? Who will read?
Sir.
Yes, anyone.
Sir,
Yes,
The British
yes.
believed that the act of dash was important. The act of
Act of
writing was important. Writing.
Is it true? Everyone, is it true?
Yes, sir.
Act-
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, correct. So the act of writing was important according to whom?
British.
Yes. Okay, so according to the Britishers, the act of writing was considered as important. Okay. Now, next question, who will read? Yes, please continue. You can continue. The document is opening only because I'm having some technical error also. Okay. Students, sorry for the inconvenience because my laptop has some problem, so I cannot even share the screen also. But anyways,
Sir, chat session is not coming.
yes, what is not coming? Chat session. That I have switched off because unnecessary messages then you will talk with each other. That's why I have switched off chat session. Yes, I told you to read next question, please.
Yes, sir. The next question is, what made British to take up writing records?
Okay, wait. Why this is not opening? What's the answer?
Yes, sir. British take up writing records as they thought that records can be properly studied and then they can debate on that topics.
This is second one, no?
No,
Yes.
sir. Third question.
Third question, no? Can you read the question once again and say the answer?
Yes, sir. What made British to take up writing records?
Yes. Why did the Britishers take the act of writing, and why did they believe that writing was important? Why? Because, see, the answer would be like this. The British started writing so that things could properly be studied and debated. Obviously, what Bhumi has said, what Neha has said is correct. Okay? Yes, it is exactly correct. But can you say once again, Neha, what did you write? What was your answer?
Yes, sir. British keep writing records as they can be properly studied and debated.
Yes, almost. But some words are different in my answer. See, the British started writing records so that things could be properly studied and debated. Same only, but some words difference are there. Otherwise, the answer is correct. So everybody understood this answer? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now read next question. Read next question, please. Fast. Don't waste time. What is the next question?
Yes, sir. The next question
Yes,
is,
sir. The next
what led
question
to the
is-
setting up?
Yes, Bhumi, continue. Bhumi, continue.
Yes, sir. The next question is, what led to the setting up of record rooms by the Britishers?
Yes.
The answer is the
What led to?
The answer is
Continue.
the British felt that all important documents and letters needed to be carefully preserved. This led to the setting up
Yes.
of record rooms.
Very simple, very simple. Why did they set up the record rooms by them? For what purpose? Why did they set up the record rooms for them? Because British felt that all important documents as well as letters, whatever they received, documents or letters, okay, they were needed to be preserved because they gave an importance to that. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understand? I also explained this. What is their means? These are their administrative system. These are their administrative system. Okay, and this is what we have to follow even in today's world. So this is what something we get to learn from them. Yes or no? We get to learn this thing from them, and this needed to be followed. Okay, understood. Now last question from this topic.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yes. Read the next question. Next question. Next question, please. Yes, make it fast. Make it fast. Don't waste time. People who specialize in art of beautiful writing. Who are? What would be the question? I think the question is, who are calligraphists? Yes or no?
Calligraphist.
Is that the question?
Yes.
So these are the people. Yes.
The calligraphists are those who specialize in the art of the beautiful writing.
Beta, what's your name?
Mr. Arpita.
Okay, good. So who are the calligraphists? They are the people who are specialized. Okay, how you have to write? Who are specialized in the art of beautiful writing. Okay, so they are known as calligraphists. So that topic is also over. Now next one, fast. Surveys become important. That topic. So what is the first question? I think it is a fill up. Yes or no? I think it's a fill up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read.
The practice of surveying also become common under which administration? The answer is colonial administration.
Yes. Can you read the question once again? Yes.
Yes, sir. The practice of surveying also become common under which administration?
Yeah, the practice of surveying. Yes, because surveys become important. So this system comes under which? What is the question? This system comes under what system? This method comes under what system? Under the colonial system. Yes. So the answer is obviously the colonial. Everyone, if anyone of you have not written the answer, you can write down colonial. COLONIAL. Okay, next question, read fast. What is the next question?
Sir, why did British take up surveys? Its answer is given in surveys become important. Second line, British believed that a country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered.
Yes. Now, why that survey was considered to be important? That is the question. Yes or no? Why the survey was considered to be important? Yes. The answer you can write it little more. Okay, little clarity should be there. So, what would be the answer? To map the entire country. I told you. To map the entire country means what? Not drawing the map. Okay. To map the entire country doesn't mean that we are going to draw the map. No. Map the entire country means to understand. To get information about the country. Okay, so that is what to map the entire country means. So what is the purpose of that? What is the purpose of surveying? To map the entire country and to keep a detailed record. Of number of people living in all the province of India. And second is to know the topography. Okay, the topography means which are the places which are in a high level, like mountains, plateaus. Okay, so they are topographies. And how many? So to know the topography, and the third one is the local history and other facts. To know the local history also, these surveys are being taken. That is why the surveys are considered to be important. Did you understand? Did you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, third question. Yes, read fast. Who will read?
Yes, sir. Why did surveys become a common practice under the colonial administration in India?
Why did? Yes.
Why did surveys become?
Why did surveys become?
a common practice under the colonial
system. Yes or no? So why did these surveys become a common method for in the colonial system? Why? What is the reason? Who can say the answer? Anybody knows?
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Because
surveys became a common practice under the colonial administration in India because they believed that the country had to be properly known before it could be properly administered.
Yes. For what purpose? For what purpose this system to be considered as important? What is the reason? Yes, to administer a country effectively. To administer first. Okay? Means the administration. To make the administration system effective. Okay? To administer a country effectively, a country or region had to be properly known. And to know the country properly. For that purpose, this was considered as very important. Understood? Understood the third answer. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now read next question fast, Bhumi. Bhumi will read. Yes.
Yes, sir. Why were the revenue surveys conducted by the British?
Yes. Why did they why did they make this system of collecting the revenue? This also I explained.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? What is the reason?
Revenue surveys conducted by the British to know about topography, soil quality, flora and fauna, cropping patterns.
Yes. Yes. Then? And to know the local history also. Yes or no? It is like a similar answer of which one? Similar answer of answer number 2. Yes or no? Almost the same answer. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is almost the same answer as to the second answer. Okay. So the British conducted the revenue operations. For what purpose? To know the topography, the soil quality, the flora and fauna, then yes, cropping patterns, means the agricultural system, so agricultural method we can say. Okay, and local history of that was seen necessary to know how to administer. Okay, so that is the answer. Understood everyone? So fourth one complete. Now the fifth one. What is the fifth question? I think it is a fill up. Yes. Yes, please. Read the question. Hello. Where are you all?
Sir.
Sleeping?
No, sir. Dash operations were held every 10 years. Census.
Yes. What is that? Every 10 years the census are taken. Yes or no? The census survey. It is also a kind of survey. Yes or no? Every 10 years the census is taken. For what purpose census are taken? I explained you. Can anyone say? For what purpose census are taken? Who can say? And how many kinds of census are taken? That also I explained.
Yes,
Types
sir.
of
Can
census.
I?
Yes, sure. Yes.
To take and detailed records of number of people in all provinces in India.
Good. Then? Not only that much. Few more it was there. Who can say? Do you know? Bhumi?
Sir, and also about their religion, occupation, castes, and that's all.
Yes, yes, yes. Good. Then about, I told you like 4 or 5 studies, the names of studies. So according to the studies, the surveys are taken. Which were they? Do you remember that? Do you remember that? Who remembers that? 4 or 5 studies.
Sir,
Yes.
botanical surveys,
Not botanical. It is botanical. Okay? Not botanical. Botanical. Botany. Okay? Then?
okay, sir. Archaeological surveys and forest survey and
Yes, good.
Zoological survey. And
Zoological.
Sir, I
Then
remember that only.
then one more I think you forgot. Which is that?
So I think forest survey.
Yes, forest survey you forgot, no?
No, sir, I
Arpita,
had told forest survey.
forest survey you said. Okay. Then
Yes.
I think something was missing. Which is that?
Yes,
I
sir.
had told
Anthropological
forest survey.
Okay, can you say once again, Arpita? Let's see what did she miss. Okay, I think
Forest
5 names
survey,
was there.
Forest survey, archaeological
Okay.
survey, botanical survey, and
Yes.
zoological survey.
Yes, one more it is there. And it is a common only, it is given also. We are studying about that.
Anthropological survey.
Yes, yes, yes. What is that? Anthropological study or survey. Clear? So this is what so that means you remember. Very good. Okay? Yes? So this way you have to revise and you have to remember these things. Don't think that, yeah, class is over, so now there is no need to study. Then after you have to study. That's the main thing. Okay? Okay, so very good. Those who have studied properly. Okay, now next question. Again, it is related the same question. Right now we discussed. Yes or no? Same question. What is the question? Sorry, same answer it would be. Read the question. Read the question and say it once again. Read the question.
Yes, sir. What
Which are
types
the
of surveys were conducted by the colonial administration in India?
Yes. Right now we discuss. Yes or no? What kind of surveys?
Yes, sir.
Please say the name. Say the names.
Yes, sir.
Botanical.
Surveys, zoological surveys, archaeological
yes.
surveys,
Archaeological.
anthropological surveys, and forest surveys.
Yes, these are the 5 kinds of. Now, can you tell me botanical means which kind of survey? Botanical means study of or the survey of. Who can say? Who can say botanical means study of or the survey of what?
So flora and fauna.
No, wrong. Botanical. I'm asking botanical is which survey? Botanical is which survey?
Sir, plants and animals survey.
Not animals. Only plants. Botanical is not animal. It is only for study of plants. Okay. And zoology is related to animals. And archaeology? Archaeology is related to? Yes, who can say? Archaeological survey is related to what? I told you to take the screenshot also, if you remember. When I explained with that PPT, I clearly mentioned these are the important points. This can be asked as in the exam also. Here it is given only like 1 mark question only, but it can ask for 3 marks also. It can be asked for 3 marks. Which are the surveys that are conducted by the administrative system? And name them and explain them. So this way question can be asked for 3 marks. In that you have to first mention the names, then you have to explain them in short. What kind of study they take. Not study or survey. Study also we can say or survey also we can say. The same thing only. Clear? So please remember these things. If you remember, tomorrow I will ask again. Which kind of surveys, and you have to say it clearly, one by one. Clear everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will ask again. You have to say in detail which kind of surveys they are or related to which survey they are. Okay. Now the next topic, what official records do not tell. What official records do not tell. Only 3 questions are there. No, 3. How many questions are there? Yes, 3 questions. What is the first one? Read the first question.
Yes, sir. What do the official records tell us? Sir, it is given in 6th page number. What official records do not tell? Third line. They tell us what the official thought, what they were interested in, and what they wished to preserve for posterity.
Very good. Only that's it. You have to just copy it down. Where it is given? Can you say the reference once again? Can you say
Yes, sir. 6th page number. What official records do not tell? Third line.
Yes.
They tell us what the official.
Everyone please note that reference. If you have not written, write there from there. Okay, just copy it down. That third line from that paragraph. Just the entire line you have to copy it down. Up till where? Up till posterity. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now the second question. Second question. Read the question fast. Yes, Neha, you can read. Neha, you can read and answer.
Yes, sir. Are these sources or records reliable? Why and why not?
Yes. Whatever sources they are collecting, are the sources reliable? Reliable means are they useful? Are they meant to be used? That is what reliable means. So what is the answer for that?
Yes, sir. No, they cannot be. They are not reliable as records were the thinking of the officials, but on sources we can be reliable.
Okay. See, okay, that is okay, but you have got some correction for that answer. I will tell you what is that. See, because why the sources are not considered important or reliable? What is the reason? The reason is, see, listen everyone. Because such sources may not highlight the emotions and sentiments of the government. It may not highlight the sentiments, okay, or the emotions of whom? Of the government or the administration. They may present only one side of the issue. Means the entire issue or entire problem may not be highlighted. Only one side of the problems may be highlighted by the government. Clear? So that is why these sources may not be considered as important or reliable. Clear? Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the last but not the least. What is the last question?
Name the sources that need to be studied for more understanding.
Yeah, which are the sources that need to be studied? Yes. Who can answer?
Sir, I.
Yes, please. Yes.
The diaries of people, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies and biographies are some of the sources that need to be studied for more understanding.
Yes, good. Autobiographies of what? Important personalities. Don't forget that. That also you need to add there. Autobiographies of what? What did you write? Can you say your answer? Autobiographies of? Or you have written only autobiography?
So I have only written autobiography.
Please add this also. Autobiography of what? I explained also this. Autobiography of important personality. Yeah, that also you have to add. Okay, everyone. If you have written only autobiography, add this word also. Autobiography. See, once again I'll say the answer. What all things can be considered important? It is the diaries of the people. Okay, diaries of the people. That is first one. Second is accounts of pilgrims and travelers. These things are mentioned in textbook. And third is autobiographies of important personalities. And I told you important personality means like in your activity also I have given no. Did everyone do the activity? Did anyone find in important personalities? 3 to 4 personality which are not, I do not explain in the PPT. You have to do it different. Who has done that? Has anyone started yet or not even started?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many personalities you have got? You have to write new personality, okay, which I discuss with you. Don't write that. I discuss biography which I discussed. Biography, I think I discussed of Walt Disney. Then 2 more I have discussed. Okay, I don't remember that, but autobiographies I discussed of Gandhiji, Mark Twain, and Charlie Chaplin. So this, you should not repeat these 3 books, these 3 autobiographies. Okay, and biography I have said of Walt Disney, and which are the 2 more I have discussed with you.
I think Nelson Mandela and Albert Einstein.
Yes. Nelson Mandela and Albert. Yeah. So these 6 means 3 of biography and 3 of autobiography. This you should not repeat in your activity that I give. You should write different personalities book. Okay, you have to find out different personalities. Clear? Don't repeat these things. Okay, so we have completed the topic wise from the worksheet. Now what is that next one? That is, let's revise. Let's revise. Okay, that is MCQ, the first one. Yes, what is the first question? Who can read?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. History is synonymous with people, kingdoms, dates, and wars.
History is synonymous, not synonymous. How do you pronounce that? History is synonymous. Synonymous. How do you pronounce? Synonymous. Synonymous, not synonymous. Okay. Please take care of that. Yes, read the question once again. Can you read the question and say the answer? What would be the answer from MCQ 1? Please read the question.
Yes, sir. History is synonymous with people, kingdom, dates, and wars.
Yes. So what would be the answer?
Yes, sir. So the answer, yes, sir. The answer is dates.
Dates. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Read the next one.
Yes, sir. Dates become important when we focus on social
Read the
changes,
options.
general yes, sir. Social changes, general events, particular events, or cultural changes. The answer of this question would be particular events.
Yes. Could you repeat? Everyone listen.
Particular events.
Hello. Not answer. I told you to repeat the whole thing once again.
Yes, sir. Dates become important when we focus on social changes, general events, particular events, or culture changes. The answer would be, this question is particular events.
Okay, so answer is the particular events. So everyone please note down if you have not ticked. Okay, now next.
Yes, sir. According to Mill, which societies were at the lower level of civilization than Europe? Asian, American, Indian, or British? Asian, sir.
Yes, according to Mill, what is that? Which societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe? So according to him, which societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe?
Asian.
Yes, than the European countries, our Asian countries were considered as in a lower level. Okay, so the answer is Asian. Now the fourth question is periodization of Indian history into ancient, medieval, and modern was an idea borrowed from where? What are the options? India, past, British, and West. So what would be the answer?
West.
Yes. Clear? Is it correct? Is it correct, Neha?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so everyone has got this MCQs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's move on for now. What is the next one? It is Philip. Is it Philip?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The first one is dash is certainly about changes that occur over time. What is that? Obviously. What would be the answer?
History.
Yes, simple one. Okay. Just write down the answer history. Those who have not written. Write down the answer history. Everybody else, Purva, Deven, are you all doing or simply sitting? Smith is not going to talk anyway. Okay? Yes. Purva, Deven, Smith, if you are listening, then it is good. Okay. Purva, Deven, and then who is this? Arpita. Are you all doing this? Okay. Please reply. Okay. Please switch off the mic. Next question. Before the British came to India, dash and dash despots ruled India. Before
Hindu
British
and
came to
Muslim.
India. Yes. What would be the answer? Hindu and Hindu and Muslim. Please everyone write it down.
Muslim.
The third one. Now third one. The first map of India was created by whom? First map of India was created by?
James.
And on the
Sir,
request
James
of whom?
Renil.
Yes, on the request of whom? On the request of whom?
Sir, Robert
Robert
Clive.
Yes, good. Robert Clive. Okay, next one. Dash became the first Governor General of India in 1773. Who is that? Governor General.
Warren Hastings.
Yes, again the simple one. This is Phillips are simple, no? We already covered these things. See, the National Archives of India was set up by whom? Set up by National Archives of India. This you can get in your textbook. In that figure, it is given below that figure. The Archive of India, below that figure, there you can, it's clearly mentioned. The National Archives of India was set up by, what is the answer? Hello? Everybody there? National Archives of India is set up by? Yes, please reply. Please reply.
Sir, by British.
British. Is it true? Is it true?
Yes, sir, I think so.
Okay, wait. The National Archives, this you can take, I told you, it is given on page number. The National Archives, where it was set up by, because see, the importance this institution had in British imagination. Okay, now when you think of, when you read that paragraph in page number 5, in page number 5, can you take that?
Yes, sir. It is given below in the figure 4.4. Figure 4.
Figure 4 it is given, yes or no? So
Yes,
what
sir.
would be the answer? What would be the answer for that?
So, Viceregal Palace.
Yes, correct. Located close to the, it is located means where it is set up. Which place? Answer is Viceregal.
New Delhi.
Yes, New Delhi. It is set up where means it is close to the Viceregal Palace. Close to the Viceregal Palace means it is set up where? Viceregal Palace. Did you understand? You have to read that sentence and you have to understand. In your textbook, what it is written, the National Archives were both located close to the Viceregal Palace, means it is set up there. So what would be the answer? Viceregal Palace. Is it clear? Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, last but not the least, state whether it is true or false. Okay, the first one, James Mill divided, again the simple one, divided history into 3 periods, Hindu, Muslim and Christian. It is the textual only, textual true or false only. So it is false.
False.
Yes or no? Now second one, official documents help us understand what the people of the country think. Is it true?
False.
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 Third one, the British thought surveys were important for effective administration. True or false?
True. True.
Yeah, these are textual questions only, so it was easy. So we have completed the worksheet. Yes or no? Or still remaining? Is anything left?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Sir, complete.
Please check it properly. Whether turn the page and see whether many more questions are there or not. Turn the page and see. Or it is fine.
No, sir, it is completed.
Okay, so finally we have completed the entire chapter. Now, okay, chapter does not complete by completion of explanation of the chapter. When we complete all the materials like classwork, like fair notebook, activity, worksheet, when everything is done, even revision also we have done, yes or no? So now we can say that we have finally completed the first chapter properly. So everyone understood properly this chapter? Anybody has any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir,
No
no
doubt.
No, sir, no doubt.
Pakka?
No, sir.
Pakka? Pakka?
Yes, sir. Sure. No doubt. Yes, sir.
Was there any like doubt in explanation or like misunderstanding or like that in explanation? Everyone?
No, sir.
Was there any misunderstanding? Deven and Purva.
Good morning, sir.
Means you were sleeping. Who said good morning? Harman and Maitri, 7th standard students, don't come now. Come after 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
I thought some of students from your class, some of one is sleeping. I asked the question and I heard good morning, sir. Okay, good. If you're not sleeping, it is good. Okay, fine. Now, yes, please be there. Let me take the attendance. Don't leave the class. Only leave the class after the attendance. When I say now you can leave, then you can leave. Okay, let me take the shot. Yes, it's done. So now you all can leave. So what would be the homework? Homework is just complete this worksheet properly. Today I will send the PDF. Okay, everyone, clear? Today I will send the PDF. Just take the help of that PDF and complete your worksheet. Fair note book, activity book, everything. Clear? Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So now in the next class. Okay. What? Goodbye. You're going somewhere else? Out of the town?
No, sir. No, sir. Next level.
Someone said goodbye. What is that? Okay. Anyway, see you all in the next lecture. Take care. Stay safe.
Bye,
and
sir.
complete your work. Yes, complete your work. Bye-bye.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye.